Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be my Thursday morning beach report for North Naples, Florida. It's about 8:20. Oh, it's about 78 degrees, going to get up to 88 today. Partly cloudy skies. September 28th, the 1-year anniversary of Hurricane Ian's making landfall in Southwest Florida. This is the La Playa Beach Hotel. La Playa has come a long way since a year ago. This is what it looked like. Nothing in the back. Now look at it, all re-landscaped. Open for business, not 100% open, but almost 100% open. Hey, this morning's beach report is brought to you by our friends at Boat Naples. Check out their website, boatnaples.com. Look at all of those awesome tours they offer. And before making your reservation online, give them a call. Mention my name, Robb Stan from Southwest Florida Television, and they will take care of you. boatnaples.com. I had kind of a solemn beach walk this morning here, thinking about Hurricane Ian and what this place looked like and what it looks like now. Oh, Gulf Shore Drive. What a mess that was. Cars piled up on top of each other. Sand everywhere. The devastation was terrible. As we all learned, that storm made landfall with winds of 145 miles an hour just south of Punta Gorda to the north of us at 4:37 in the afternoon. And we learned that it's not the wind that's going to get you, it's the water. The storm surge was unbelievable. Just lifted boats up out of the water, piled them up like Tinker toys. It's going to be years before Southwest Florida recovers. I'm never going to forget. And we didn't get the brunt of it. Like I said, that Punta Gorda is where it hit. Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel Island, mass destruction. Here you can see signs everywhere on Vanderbilt Beach of Hurricane Ian's strength, the strength of that storm surge. Grim reminders, buildings still empty. Folks recovering though, some new plantings here and there. Moving forward. There's no dunes on the beach. All of our dunes are gone here on Vanderbilt. It was once sea oats and other shore vegetation gone. This empty lot just north of La Playa is where someone's dream home once stood. This was all lush vegetation a year ago. Now look at it, just a wasteland back here. Another reminder of the impact of Hurricane Ian's storm surge. This little timeshare building here, Gulf Point of Naples, still sitting dormant. Just recently they've started the rebuilding process. Almost a year. Can you believe that? Almost a year, and they've just begun to rebuild this. The swimming pool was just full of sand after the storm. A lot of these condos, this is what the swimming pools look like. There's Gulf Point. As it stands now, the entire bottom floor wiped out there, the community room. Construction fencing surrounding the property. Looking at that and then looking at these beautiful clouds out here and this beautiful blue sky. Take a little stroll down the beach. Bottom floor is wiped out. Empty parking garages. A common sight. We lost a lot of our beach access boardwalks coming from Gulf Shore Drive to the beach here. You can see this is all new lumber, all new handrails, some of them still missing. A little further north, this is right next to just south of the Vanderbilt Beach and Harbor Club. They're still working on cleaning this place up. The pool's still a mess. The landscaping in the back still needing work. Still working inside the building. But you get the idea of what's going on here. As I continue to make my way south down the beach here, we're coming up on the Turtle Club restaurant at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort. Got all their chairs and umbrellas out. The resort is over here to my left. Hopefully the restaurant's going to be opening late this year, the Turtle Club. But check out this picture that I took from a boat. It's not the highest quality. This is what it looked like after the hurricane. The seawall all exposed there. Lost a lot of beach. And here we are now. Back in business. The Vanderbilt Beach Resort. The Ritz-Carlton behind me, they're open as well. Hit that share button if you liked what you saw. Trying to help you out, be informative. Don't want to dwell on the bad things. You know, it's all about rebuilding here, thinking positive. Another quick shout out to our friends at Boat Naples, boatnaples.com. Visit their website, click on that 25% discount offer up at the top of the page. That offer is going to run, that sale goes till October 15th. You don't have to schedule a tour, you just have to pay now, tour later, pick the tour you want, but you can schedule it within a year of purchase. boatnaples.com. Some gorgeous, gorgeous clouds. Got some rain in them, but gorgeous. I come down to the water here. The water is looking a little brown today. I don't know what that's about. I didn't see any red tide anywhere. The water is a little off color here. That's not a good thing. See what happens over the next couple days. I'll look back at the Vanderbilt Beach Resort. That water temperature's 86 degrees. All right, that's going to do it for my beach report. 1 year since Hurricane Ian slammed into the southwest Florida coastline. We'll never forget. Hey, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stam. God bless.